If you're feeling overwhelmed and know you need to do something different about your health, hormones, and well-being, I totally get it. Making decisions about your health can be so overwhelming, especially when it comes to hormones, right? You've probably got a lot of questions, maybe some doubts, or even a few concerns after the call with our team, even though they're pretty amazing. Well, I'm here to add some clarity and help you take that next step toward feeling like yourself again. Hey, I'm Dr. Tammy, and I want to help you every step of the way. And if you want to talk to your doctor first, that's wonderful. I fully support that. In fact, I love collaborating with doctors who genuinely want to help their patients feel better. But here's the truth that most women don't know. Very few physicians are trained in individualized bioidentical hormone therapy. Most were only taught about synthetic hormones, the ones that don't look or act like the hormones in your body or the hormones that your body naturally makes. Synthetic hormones, your body doesn't really know what to do with those, and sometimes those can actually have harmful effects. And many doctors are just stuck in the box that that's the only option. And so, not to even mention saliva testing or personalized dosing. It may be outside their training, and that's okay. It's not their fault, it's the systems. But that's exactly where Hormone Bliss is different. We specialize in root cause, precision-based hormone balancing, using bioidentical hormones that mirror what your body naturally produces. That means safer, smarter, and more sustainable results for your long-term health, not a quick fix that masks your symptoms. And let's be honest, how many more visits do you want to waste going from doctor to doctor, paying co-pays, fighting insurance denials, walking out with another prescription that doesn't solve the problem, feeling like you're crazy or you just need an antidepressant or a sleeping pill? You deserve real answers, not more frustration and gaslighting. And that's why we do things differently, because your time, your health, and your sanity matter. Okay, let's talk about your partner. I know it's so tough when you need your partner's support to move forward. It is an investment, and we get that. You want him to understand why this matters for you. But let me ask you this, wouldn't your partner want the best version of you? After all, the symptoms of hormone imbalance, things like mood swings, low libido, and brain fog, affect your relationship too. I'm not just talking about your health, I'm talking about your marriage, your connection, your peace of mind, and trust me, restoring and balancing your hormones can help bring that back. And then there's money talk. I get it, healthcare can be expensive, but let me ask you this. How much are you already spending on doctor visits, co-pays, medications don't work, and a future that doesn't look very bright? Hormone imbalance doesn't just affect how you feel today, it can lead to bigger problems down the road, falls, fractures, and even memory loss. And also think about your work productivity. What's going on in the workplace that is going to cost you money in the long run because of the brain fog or not just being present or motivated, being passed over for raises and all the opportunities that you could miss out on. So if you're still thinking about it, understand, but let's be honest, how many more moments do you want to miss? The girls' night you skip because you're too exhausted to go. The family dinner where you smile through irritability and brain fog, or worse, those days you do show up, but you're not really there. You're tired, checked out, or saying things you wish that you could take back, but you can't. These are the memory-making moments, the ones you don't get a do-over on. You deserve an easy stroll through perimenopause or menopause, and an over-retirement plan with bioidentical hormones that actually work. One that lets you feel alive, engaged, and like you again. I always say, hashtag, I want my life back. The only way to change how you feel tomorrow is to take action today. And if you're not sure what that next step looks like, no pressure. We're here to help you find the clarity that you need. So here's what I want you to do. Take a deep breath and know that you're not alone in this. If you're ready to step into a program that's personalized, supportive, and gets to the root of your symptoms, then pick the plan that works best for you. Whether it's the starter plan or the full support membership with all the perks, if you need to talk it out again, schedule a call with one of our amazing hormone coaches, and we'll help you decide what's best. Bring your significant other to join the call if they have any questions as well. That's a good opportunity for you to have a good support system to hear what we're all about. If you're suffering with hormone balance or concerned about your future health, with what you may be facing, if you don't make a change, then choosing our program is the best decision. Just click the link below for the program that fits your needs the best. Let's get started getting you back to you.